Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today I'm going to be painting Winter Horse and Carriage. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped up version of the video, and I have the full-length version of the tutorial available for all of my Patreon members. So if you'd like to watch the full-length version of this one, or many other exclusive tutorials that I have available for them, and or learn more about the Patreon membership program, where there is a bunch of other benefits, painting benefits that you get to enjoy that help to enhance your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a very magical Christmas, well, not Christmas, it's just holiday. It's winter. It's not even holiday, it's just winter. A beautiful winter scene. And I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.